Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to merge the PowerPoint file in easier way. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, could you believe that we can merge two PowerPoint files presentation, and you don't have to open it manually or two files like this, like put it into left and right like this or side by side, and you don't have to drag it and put it into the presentation that you want like this. It is actually okay, but it may take a little while or make the time longer. So you can start to close this another presentation, for example, and you can start to open or prepare the primary presentation files you have. And after that, you can go to this insert and go to this new slide and focus on this drop down, and after that click this reuse slides, and after that you can start to click browse, and you can select the presentation that you would like to blend with this one or this primary presentation files, guys. And for example, I will choose it first from my device. For example, I will choose this one and click open. And after that, the presentation that we would like to blend into one will be shown over here. And for example, I will put this slide 2 into this between of slide 3 and 4. So you can start to click this between like this and click this one. And voila, the slide 2 will automatically add it into this section. And you can apply to it for another slide, for example, for this closing like this, and you can also remove it easily. Click delete. And for example, I will move it into the last one and click this, and it will be added automatically into this slide presentation. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video found you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.